Welcome to the revolution of information, a world where data reigns supreme. Introducing Data Science and Analytics, a comprehensive beginner's guide brought to you by Only Quality Data. Dive into the intricate ecosystem of data, unravel the life cycle, and grasp the fine line that distinguishes data science from data analytics. Venture through case studies, immerse yourself in real-world examples, and discover the myriad applications of data analytics and data science in the business landscape. This course doesn't just impart knowledge, it stresses the significance of data literacy, guiding you on your journey to build a robust data and analytical skill set. Whether you're a seasoned business professional seeking to enhance your skills, or an aspiring data analyst yearning to make your mark, this course is tailored to equip you with the essential tools and understanding to thrive in the ever-evolving realm of data science and analytics. Welcome to a world where data is not just a tool, but an empowering ally.